On the menu.
We're gonna have egg rolls today. I am cutting up the onions. I already cut the cabbage. I'm gonna cut up my onions and my bell peppers because this is my egg roll. And I'm gonna have mushroom, portobello mushroom. Cut portobello mushroom in my egg roll. And I think that's gonna taste really, really good. Just gonna cut it up really good so that it can be in all of the egg roll. Not a lot because I'm not really a a mushroom fan, but we're gonna go ahead and have these mushrooms in there anyway. What I'm doing now is I'm gonna take my cabbage and mushroom, put a little water, not too much, just a little bit, with a little bit of oil.
Action.
I'm gonna add a little pepper, a little Himalayan salt, Himalayan, however you say it. A little of that, and I have to have garlic, so I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. Garlic is my fave. I'm gonna stir it up, make sure I have everything mixed in, and I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit.
Cut.
And I'm gonna cut this bell pepper. I only want a piece of it, so I'm gonna section it off. I'll take this part out. I need better tools. That's why I need y'all to watch these videos so I can up my tools for these videos I bring y'all. And I'm just gonna slice my bell pepper up because I want some in each bite of my egg roll. Who said you can't put bell pepper in egg roll? Pepper in egg rolls. Liars.
Cut.
And I'm just slicing my bell pepper real fine little pieces because I want it not too big off in my egg rolls, but I want to be able to taste it. I like the taste of the bell pepper. And I'm just gonna, it looks good, looks good, looks good. It's almost ready. And so what I'm about to do is add the onions, bell peppers to my cabbage and mushrooms. Bam. Cook it,
Action.
Life is time consuming, but somebody has to do it. So here's the filling of my egg roll. And what I'm gonna do now, because it's done, I'm gonna take it and put it on my foil and put it in the refrigerator to cool off. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with that. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into cooking the chicken. Let's go.
Cut.
Now is I'm gonna rinse my chicken before I put it in my skillet. Good. And now I'm gonna season the chicken a little more, even though it is cooking off in that other seasoning. A little salt, a little pepper, and I told y'all I like garlic. Okay. And I'm gonna let that cook. When it's cooked, I'm gonna shred the chicken up. We'll be right back. What I'm doing now is opening my noodles because I'm gonna put these in the pot so that they can boil. My meat over, pushing the meat over. We want all that to cook. We want all that to cook. I'm gonna take some of these noodles. And these are gonna go in the water. I'm gonna break them up. like such and put them in the water. So what I'm doing now is I'm shredding my chicken. My skillet does look a little dirty, but it's really not dirty. It's called flavor. So I'm gonna put my chicken on my cutting board. I already cut it up a little bit. Don't laugh at the way I use my knife and my fork. But yeah. Taking my noodle out the pot. I'm gonna put it on my foil so that I can transfer. Trying to get as much of the noodle out the pot that I can. And now I'm gonna dump the noodle on top of my mush. Well, on side. But yeah, y'all get the picture. And so now what I'm gonna do is make everything so that it can go into my egg roll thing. What I'm doing right here is cutting up my filling to get that filling good and ready, mixed in together to go into my egg roll. Now I'm gonna cut these open. Okay, y'all, and don't call me ghetto because I use a shot glass to dip my finger in the water. Okay, here we go. What I did was I did a egg roll so that you all can see what I'm about to do. And here I go. So I made all the egg rolls up. I prepped them and everything. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of more grease off in my pan. And so now I'm gonna take my egg rolls and I'm gonna put them in the skillet. I'm trying to be kind of fast on me. I think I waited a little too long, but I like my food crunchy anyway. Okay. Probably not done like this in Chinatown, but. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is I'm about to take these out the grease. So this is the egg roll. It is a little dark or whatever, but I like my food a little extra crunchy. Don't judge. Let me see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm.
Looks good.
I can't wait to bite it. And let's give it a taste. Mmm. No. Tune in for the next dish. Mmm.